Here at Sunoco ThermoSafe, quality and safety is our everyday business. We've been partnering with pharmaceutical companies for decades. Regulations define how quality is engineered into all processes at a pharmaceutical company. That includes distribution and packaging. Here, at one of our global Orion rental packaging stations, quality and safety is built into each and every step.
We manage preconditioning and refurbish Orions. We run anywhere from 5,000 to 9,000 Orions per week, and that's growing very fast. So we're able to move product through very fast and react to customers' needs. Each reclamation step is carried out carefully. We know these products that are going into these boxes are very special for people. Each Orion box is completely disassembled and inspected, identifying any damages and part replacements needs. The cleaning and UV disinfection process takes place after that. When they pass final inspection, the Orion boxes are ready for assembly when an order is placed. When an order is placed, our team begins assembly and kitting processes. Good people, good processes are the heart of our program.
One of the unique features of the Orion rental program is that they arrive at the customer's warehouse fully preconditioned. You can imagine the savings in operational, labor, and inventory costs at the customer's warehouse when they arrive ready for immediate use. Here at Orion stations, the PCM refrigerant bottles go through a two-step conditioning process in our tightened containers. So Orion just isn't a box. It's confidence our customers rely on to be able to ship sustainably while reducing costs. That's a fact that many companies don't yet realize. You can choose a reusable packaging program and simultaneously reduce costs. It really is exciting when our customers realize the benefits behind this program. The Orion rental program allows pharmaceutical customers to focus on their business. We remove the operational burdens while relieving the total cost of ownership in their parcel packaging programs. With a growing number of global network stations, ThermoSafe is able to provide a complete service to multinational pharmaceutical companies. We work with each customer to ensure ordering and inventory precisely meets their shipping schedules. So my advice to anyone who is new to reusable rental cold chain packaging and you're thinking about the benefits of rental products, please take some time to conduct your own research, understand your operational requirements, and please reach out to a reputable company such as ThermoSafe. We would be happy to have a conversation with you.